Hey pre-K, guess what? This is our last number lesson for the whole year of pre-K. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. You know what that means? That means I want to see if I can practice like everything we've learned. Maybe not everything, but I want to see if I can practice a bunch, okay? Ready to do some learning? All right, let's start with the clock. I got the clock here. Let's see. Remember, we got the face, got the two hands. Always look at that short hand first, the hour hand, and then look at the minute hand. Let's see what time it says right now. It says, let's see, it's not to the 11 yet. It's going around clockwise. It's not to the 11 yet, so it's still 30. Awesome. Let me give you a couple more. I want to give just an overview of it all because we've learned so much this year, guys. How about this one? Look at the hour hand first, the short one. 9 o'clock. Oh, clock. Awesome. Okay, how about this one? Oops. There we go. Let's see. What's the hour hand pointing to? 1 o'clock. All right, last one. Last one, guys. Let's see. This is it. Here it is. Ready? 2. It's not to the 3 yet. 2:30. 2:30. Way to go, guys. All right, let's practice a couple other things. Let's see. How about some adding? Let's do a little bit of adding. I'm going to get a couple blocks here, a couple dice to roll, a couple cubes. Oh, we got 5 plus 4. What's 5 plus 4 more? 5 plus another 4 more. What's that? 5. We can start with 5 because we know we have 5 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do another one. Here we go, guys. Man, probably the only pre-K kids who can add like this. I love it. Ooh, we got a 6 and 4 more. 6 plus 4 more. Let's see what that makes. We can start at 6 because we know we have 6 here and then just keep going up from 6, the after numbers after 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. You guys are getting good at this. I love it. Okay, let's see here. We have we already did 5 and 4. I got to get something else. I got to get a different number because we don't want to have the same 5 and 4 again. Let's see here. We have 5 and 2. Okay, those are different. 5 and 2. We haven't had 5 and 2 yet. 5. We can count. We can just say 5 because we know we have 5 and then 2 more. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 2 more makes 7. Way to go, guys. I love it. Okay, awesome. How about a couple of these little blocks? Remember that these count by tens. They're like the dads. I'm going to count with the Jeep boys. And then these are like counting by ones. We can count these like the kids. So let's see here. Let's count the 10. We have some of each. We have some green, some yellow. We haven't counted them yet, but let's see how many we have. We know that each of these is worth 10. So we have to count like by tens to count the dads. Here we go. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. Did you see how I did that? 10, 20, 30, 40. Cool, we got up to 40. Now let's see how many we have here. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I dropped one, but I had 45 because I had 5 of the little yellow ones. 5 little ones. I was trying to show you what 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. There we go. Now they're all in a row. Had more room on my palm. Awesome. So let's see. Okay. The last thing I want to do is counting by 5s. And I want your assignment today to be finishing up remember on Tuesday we started counting by fives, and I had you make a number line counting by fives with either like sidewalk chalk or a piece of paper and a crayon, or you know, markers or whatever, you know, but something that you can like walk or hop or jump or skip along as you say the numbers. But let's first practice counting by fives. Now, I'm gonna see if I can get you here where you can see them all. I tried to get it just right. Does it see it all? Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna come down to my knees. Do you remember how we talked on Tuesday about how counting by fives follows an A-B pattern? 0, 5, 0, 5. It's like A, B, A, B, A, B, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So when you count by fives, the numbers are gonna have a 0, and then the next number is gonna have a 5, and the next number is gonna have a 0, and the next number is gonna have a 5. It's gonna be like a dad, and then a 5, a dad and a 5, a dad and a 5, dad and a 5. So watch as we count by fives, and you will see the A-B pattern. I'm gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, A, B, A, B, A, B. Ready? Let's count. Here we go. Count with me. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Guys, we counted all the way to 100. Let's do it one more time. I know that I played a song for you guys the other day, which is a lot of fun. And if you're like me, I got it stuck in my head for like the rest of the day. But let's count one more time. That one only went up to 50. This one will go all the way to 100. Here we go. Ready, guys? One more time. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Guys, you just counted by fives. I am so super proud of you. And keep practicing. I don't know if you guys can see, but all of these have a 0, and all of these have a 5. And once you kind of get to 20, you can kind of follow the pattern. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, right? Now, I finished my my little like counting by fives path, and I'm gonna jump it right now. Actually, I'll just walk it because I'm carrying the camera, and so I think I'll just walk it again. But I'd love to see yours. If you want to show me a picture of yours, that'd be awesome. Whether you use sidewalk chalk or whatever you use, it would be super fun to use sidewalk chalk like outside. I'd love that. But what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do mine, and then hopefully you'll make your own. That's one of your assignments for today. Okay, guys? Make your own. Here we go. Ready? And I started mine up to 50 last time we had math. And so I just had to finish mine. Hopefully it's the same for you, because I know this is a lot of work. It felt like a lot of work for me, a grown-up. But hopefully you already have up through 50 done from last time when we did it on Tuesday. And so then you just have to finish the rest. You're already half done. Hopefully. Okay, here we go. Ready? And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I even put an exclamation point by 100. Look at that. Now, I'm going to do it one more time because I'm hoping that I'm getting it in the camera. I can't see what I'm pointing at, but hopefully you're seeing the numbers. Here we go. Let's try one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Guys, we did it. make yours, and I can't wait to see it.